Good morning children. Today we are going to do the textbook activity in lesson number 7, Nature's Gift. Before going to do the textbook activity, just we are going to recall what we have learned in this lesson. So open page number 40. Open page number 40. See here. Again just we are going to recall it. What is that? What is nature? What is nature? See here. Sun, forest, land, rivers, animals, and we human beings, hills and mountains are gifts of nature. All these are gifts of nature. Is it clear, children? The things around us which are not made by man or human beings is called as nature, and these are all the nature's gift. And here see the land, different land forms. What are the different land forms? Hills and mountains, plains and deserts. Already I have explained in the earlier video about hills and mountains. See here, when a part of a land rises above the land around it, hills are formed. See here, you can see the hills here. High hills are known as mountains. See, above when the hills are very high, they are known as mountains. And the tip of the mountain means edge of the mountain. It is called as a peak. And here, the V-shaped land between the mountains is called as a valley. And next, a chain of mountain is called as a range. Is it clear? So this is about hills and mountains. And coming to plains. Plains means what? Long stretches of flat land. Long stretches of flat land. So we are living on the plains. Is it clear, children? So the next one is deserts. Deserts are dry, empty stretches of land. Nothing grows in the desert. The desert is covered with sand. Is it clear, children? And the camel is called as the ship of the desert. See the camels? The camel is called as the ship of the desert because the camel can live without water for so many days. It rains very little in the desert, and this is the cactus plant. So we can see these cactus plants in deserts. Is it clear, children? And these are the different land forms: hills and mountains, plains and deserts. And coming to water bodies, the different water bodies. Can you see the waterfall? When the water flows from a height, it is called as a waterfall. When snow melts from the mountains, the water comes in the form of rivers. The water comes in the form of rivers, and this river water is fresh water, and we can use this river water for drinking. Is it clear? Most of the river water will flow into the seas and oceans. And coming to the seas and oceans. Is it clear? Sea is a very large body of water. Sea water is salty and it cannot be used for drinking. And oceans are the largest water bodies on earth. Ocean water is also salty. Big ships sail on oceans and take people and goods from one land to another. So these are the different water bodies. Snow, waterfall, rivers, lakes, seas and oceans are the different water bodies of water. So these are all nature's gift. So looking after nature's gift, we have to save nature by polluting the nature. How we can save? By throwing the garbage into the garbage dustbin and giving away the garbage to the garbage collector, and stop polluting the air through vehicles, and we should not use the plastic covers. Is it clear, children? So we can save the nature by planting more plants and keeping the our neighborhood or nature clean and green. Is it clear, children? Now coming to the activity, page number 44. Page number 44. Now here the first exercise, match the words given in row A and those given in row B. So we have to choose. Camel. Camel is called as the ship of the desert. So from camel to desert you draw one line. The next one, peak. The tip of the mountain is called as a peak. So from peak to mountain draw one land and draw one line. And flat land. Flat land is a plain land. Where we are living on the flat lands. So it is called as a plain. And then draw one line from flat land to plain. And then V-shaped valley. V-shaped place it is called as, between the mountains it is called as a valley. Is it clear, children? Now see page number 45. Next page. See here they have given one picture, help box. So they have given some words. We have to see the picture and label the words. See here, first one is seahorse. Can you see the seahorse in the textbook? Yes. So write in the box, SEACHORSE, horse. Seahorse is a water animal. Seahorse is a water animal. We can see in the seas. And the next one, underwater plant. See the water, some plants we can see. What I told, we can see some animals, fishes and plants in the sea. So underwater plant. See here, write in the box, UNDER under, WATER water, PLANT plant, water plant. And next see here, see above the sea, these are the water, this is the water. So how is the sea water? Sea water is salty water. So write in the box, SALTY, salty, WATER water, salty water. And here the next one, fish, 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 fish. Which type of water body is it? It is a sea. So we can see fishes, water plants and water animals under the sea. So write in the dash SCAC. And see the third exercise. Put a tick for what we should do and a cross for what we should not do. See, waste paper. Where should we throw the waste paper? Into the dustbin. Yes, it is correct. Keep right in the box. And the second one, waste electricity. See, nobody is studying or writing here, but the light is on. Is it a good habit? No, waste of electricity is not a good habit. So keep wrong in the box. And the next one, close the tap tightly to save water. See, after washing your hands and after taking bath, you have to close the tap. So keep right in the box. And then use of cheap plastic bags. If we use plastic bags, we will pollute the nature. So it is wrong. So keep wrong in the box. Is it clear, children? So with this, we have completed the lesson number 7. Lesson number 7. What is that lesson number 7? Nature's gift. Nature's gift. Is it clear, children? So read the textbook, learn the hard words, and learn the question and answers given in the PDF. Thank you.